Happy Friday, Class 3 and Class 4. Welcome to your reading session for today. So today we're going to do a bit of reading comprehension. We're going to do the other part of what we looked at last Friday. So the street party advert is there for you again to have a little look at. As I said last week, I can't read it to you because if we were doing a reading paper, I wouldn't be allowed to. And I'd like you to have a go as if it was a reading paper. So your questions: how is the frothy coffee shop helping the party attract lots of people? Prizes generously donated. Which of these words mean the same as donated? Given, bought or won. Number 3, when will you find out if you've won the raffle? Number 4, who will announce the winner of the raffle? Number 5, why is splat the rat an easy phrase to remember? And number 6, what is going to happen if the weather is bad? So pause me now, and then when you're ready, unpause me and we'll go through the answers. Okay, so the frothy coffee shop are helping because they are donating a raffle prize. The word donated is the same as given. So if you donate a prize, you've given it for free. You've not asked for any money. When will you find out if you've won the raffle? You'll find out at 5:30 p.m. Who will announce the winner of the raffle? The mayor's wife. Splat the rat. It's an easy phrase to remember because it rhymes. And if the weather is bad, they are going to hold it in the school hall. Okay, let's have a little look at your maths for today. So we're going to have a recap of this week's learning. So there'll be a question from each of the topics we've looked at this week, same as last week, a bit like one of our recap squares, regular recall. Okay, so number 1, Tom and Esther are building a snowman. They have a choice of 5 hats, 4 scarves and 2 pairs of gloves to dress their snowman. How many different combinations are possible? Number 2, each lolly stick is 8 centimetres long. Find the perimeter of the shape. Number 3, a rectangular flower bed is 5 metres long and 3 metres wide. The path around the flower bed is 1 metre wide. What is the perimeter of the flower bed? And number 4, what is the area of each shape? Okay, pause me now, then come back when you're ready to go through the answers. Okay, so the answers are there for you. If you're looking at this and thinking I've not got any right, I'm really not sure why, please feel free to email me. I am more than happy to go through them with you. Welcome to your writing for today then, Class 4. So we are going to just do a bit of a grammar today, looking at descriptive fronted adverbials. Okay, so I'd like you to have a look at the fronted adverbials that we've got. We've got on Tuesday, daily, after a while, over there, above the bed, and next year. I want you to think, where do they fit? Are they telling us when something's happened, where it's happened, or how often it's happened? Hopefully you guys all got that was where they should go. Okay, obviously you're not going to underline it, but could you just write in your book the fronted adverbial that tells us how something has happened? So not when or where, how. Okay, hopefully you all wrote courageously, so bravely. That means the firefighter re-entered the burning building to check for any other people inside. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to find an antonym, which is the opposite of the fronted adverbial we've got there, and jot down what it could be in your book. So at the moment it says neatly, Isabel finished her sewing and folded it up on the table. So what word could you use that's opposite to neatly that would describe how she did it? Jot it in your book. Okay, so some examples you could have done with scruffily, untidily, messily, anything like that would have been great. Okay, which of these fronted adverbials tells us how the verb takes place in the sentence below? So something, he handed in his essay and marched out of the lecture hall. How did he do it? Hopefully you've all agreed that it's confidently. Okay, so which would make the most sense to go with the fronted adverbial we've got? So the fronted adverbial we've got is sleepily. So would the little girl crawled up to her bed for it had been a very long day make sense? Or the girls jumped on their bikes and rode off down the lane to meet their friends? What do you think? Hopefully we all agreed that it should have been A. The little girl crawled up to her bed for it had been a very long day. She did it sleeping. Okay, finally then, your task for today. Number one, you've got to replace the underlined fronted adverbial using an antonym. So remember, that means the opposite. Steadily have Sir balanced on the beam and prepared to perform her routine. Number two, you need to rewrite the sentence below with the adverbial at the beginning. So the children nervously entered the abandoned house and explored the haunted rooms. So you need to find that fronted adverbial, and you need to find the adverbial and pop it as a fronted adverbial. And then we'd like you to write a story opener using a range of descriptive adverbials using this hippo lurking in a lagoon. Okay, any problems, just send me an email and I'm here to help. Have a lovely weekend and I will speak to you on Monday. Bye.